Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on e.tv Skinner from the 12th to the 16th of January 2026 on Monday. Can Madlomo be Boni Tum Tunzi slide? Or will her principal win in the end? Victor and act like a man with nothing to lose when he decides to play open cards. TD committed to a bachelorette party no one is ready for on Tuesday. The vet witnesses a betrayal he wishes he could unsee. Mthunzi hopes that he has talked with way out of trouble. Madlomo wrongfully assumption is sure to get a man into trouble on Wednesday. As Talisa sinister plan takes shape, Victor remains in blissful ignorance. Dintles questions Connor and also forcing hidden truth about his ex-wife to the surface. TD suspects Gidiboni of setting her up, leaving her fuming and wary on Thursday. Seeing is believing, and Victor can't walk back from the damning evidence at hand. He also loses his cool when he discovers Madlomo's secret has spread and everyone knows. Gidiboni is plotting once again, and this time she has a surprising early on Friday. The viper has struck and her prey is being drained for more than he began for. What his pride is pricked. Ndloso deflated ego has him drawing a blame. The Tubelas are surprised by returning family. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.